name up in lights. He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even though starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help, gotta get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of the Lord. See, this is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause writing was ill. Thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames.
Η αλήθεια είναι ότι μέσα από το replay μπορεί να το δει κανείς, γιατί με κοινό μάτι δεν φάνηκε. Θα το δούμε σε λίγο. Η ΑΕΚ επιμένει με το Σέζαρ να βγάζει τη σέντρα. Ο Λιβερόπουλος εδώ έξι να βάλει το κορμί του για να γυρίσει χωρίς επιτυχία. 1-1 από τη βολίδα του Τόζερ. Από την προσπάθεια που ξεκίνησε ο Σέζαρ, γύρισε ο Λιβερόπουλος, έλεξε ο Wellington. Ήρθε εδώ αυτή η ροκέτα, είναι και της μόδας, άλλωστε έξω από την περιοχή του Τόζερ. Σοφάρισε για την ΑΕΚ στο 30 από τον Νοτιοαφρικάνο. Εδώ είναι η φάση του γκολ. Άλλη μια οπτική γωνία. Κανένα περιθώριο αντίδραση.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best. Dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Στη στημένη μπάλα εκτέλεσε ο Τόζερ. Το άλμα του ούτως ή άλλως πανύψηλου δέλα τον άφησε χωρίς αντίπαλο ψηλά. 1-1 από τον αρχηγό.